Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Ancestral supplements. Is this brand legit? You should buy their supplement or not? And what are the things you need to keep in your mind before placing any order on their official website, okay? So the first thing I want to tell you, this brand is 100% legit, and the reason behind my you can say conclusion is like age. You can see the brand is approx like 9 years from now, and they have good trust score like 100% trust score, so it's all indicating the brand is 100% legit, okay? But it doesn't mean you should buy their product blindly, okay? So you can see like they have different kinds of product, and their each and every product have good ratings also. So definitely you can buy their product, and you can use their product, but the main thing you need to keep in your mind the subscription model. So you can see they have their profile on Trustpilot also, and on the Trustpilot they have only 91 reviews in the period of 9 years, okay? But some of the negative reviews is complaining like subscription issues. So when you buy any product on their official website, they have a subscription model, and you need to pay $200 for 6 months, and there are some other charges also. So before placing any order on the official website, please read their terms and conditions. So my suggestion is only this: try to avoid product purchase on the official website. You should buy a product on Amazon.com. There is no issue, there is no subscription model, there is no, you can like nothing to worry about subscription payments, okay? Just simply buy product and use product, okay? So if you still want to buy their product on their official website, don't try to take supplement or subscribe and save model, okay? So otherwise you have to make lots of efforts for cancellation and all, okay? So the brand is 100% legit. You can buy their product, you can use their product, but be aware like they have a subscription model also if you place your order on the official website, okay? So this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.